Hi all, welcome to Caron One. In the day, Lakusadam, in the Mulakonda, cotton, yoke portion, handwork, and the kurtis, slitter kurtisana. In the Makondla, and type and different wakil and the different neckil and cotton kurtis and the first verna, the Iduala, in a print and full body, and the color combination at body verna, navy blue shade, first one verna, and yoke portion maroon shade, the Iduala, mirror work and Kurtilla. Yoke portion. And the neck V neck back and front portion body full navy blue shade print and the yoke portion separated patch mirror work detail. At the same pattern, V-neck cotton kurtila maroon shade body full maroon shade 3x4 sleeves sleeves lining include 40 full lining and yoke portion black patch which mirror work full mirror work detail. That's reverse combination. Yoke portion maroon shade, body full black shade. Print kind of floral print body full slitter kurta with lining slitter kurta. That's cotton slitter kurta pattern round neck. Round neck patch color combination patches patch beads mirror handwork heavy work this 3x4 sleeves sleeves yoke same patch finish print full body print batik type print full body color first color is black black blue white combination print matching zigzag print patches neck at the wear blue flower lotus in the print material and same patch which detail yoke portion square patch beads mirrors handwork round neck 3x4 sleeves in the end patch detail sleeves lining include top full body full lining if product order WhatsApp number direct contact contact size details shipping details number contact videos Instagram Instagram contact Instagram direct contact order confirm videos videos like suggestions type dresses comment support. Thank you.